Dear students, in this session we are going to see about HTML tables. At the end of this session, you will be able to understand the purpose of HTML tables and what are the tags that supporting for creating tables. Then apply various table attributes about rows and columns, organize tables using table tags. So what is table? A table is used to arrange data in rows and columns. Example, student mark list, employee details, product price list, timetable, bank statement. So HTML tables help present structured information clearly. The basic table tags are: table is the tag that is used to create a table. Then create rows with the help of TR, table row. Headers go with TH, table H, table header. Then data cells go with TD. If you want to add titles to the table, go with caption tag. So these are the tags supporting for creating tables. For example, here you can see that a table is created on the right hand side. There are a number of 4 rows and 4 columns. Always the first row of each table, it is called as a table header. For that, we have to use TH. So each row we can go with TR. The first one you can see the TR serial number product name. Then second TR for one laptop, 40,000 rupees. Then next TR table row. So each table row, for each row we have to use table row concept. For the first row alone, we have to create the column names. For that we have to use TH, table header. For the remaining things, go with TD. So in this way, we can create tables. We want to give border for your table, go with border equal to 1 attribute inside the table opening tag. So another one is a width tag. Width tag in terms of number of pixels or percentage. So if you want to increase the width of your cells, go with width tag. Then if you want to change the height, go with height equal to some values. Where you have to write it? You have to write it in the table tag. Then another one is alignment of your whole table. So there are 3 types of alignment: right alignment, left alignment, and center alignment. In this case, you can see the right hand side output. Align equal to right means your full table will be moved to at the right end. Align equal to center means the whole table will be aligned in center manner. So attributes for this case, for example, align equal to center, the table is aligned like this. If you want to align your table data, in the previous example, we have seen that alignment of table. Now you want to align your values. For example, I want to align the price values alone means you can go and test the corresponding table data tag. For example, here in this first, that means second row, serial number is 1, product name is laptop, then price I want to align in center alignment. So go with TD align equal to center. Likewise, you can apply for wherever it is required. Then vertical alignment is also possible. What is the tag? What is the attribute supporting for this means V align. V align equal to bottom, middle, top. So whatever is required based on the given layout, we can choose the tags. So you can see here vertical alignment in bottom and alignment equal to center. Vertical alignment is middle and alignment at the left end. Okay, the alignment at the right, V align is top. So in this way, we can align data values. Then row alignment also possible. We can go with align and V align inside the TR tag, that is table row tag. Then border, I want to increase my outer border means use border attribute inside the table tag. Then borderless table also possible. If you are not using any attribute inside the table tag, by default, it consider border values equal to 0. If you want to create border, you have to use the border attribute inside the table tag. Then what is cell spacing? If I want to create a space between each cells, go with cell spacing. Where to write this? Inside the table tag, create cell spacing equal to some number. So it creates space between each cell. That is cell spacing concept. If the cell spacing equal to 0 means it's simply like as a normal table. Cell padding is also possible. Cell padding means cell wall and cell content will be appear like this. That is cell padding. So we want to cell padding means go with cell padding keyword inside attribute inside the table tag. In column span, if we want to merge any two column values, go with column span. Where to write this column span wherever it is required. For example, I want to merge first and second column for my fifth row, that is total price alone. So come to total price where we have written TD. So column span equal to 2 columns I want to merge it, then align equal to at the right end. Similarly, we can go with the row span. For row span, I want to add this particular rows, row number 3 and 4, that is TR2 and TR3. So go with 2, table tag smartphone, I want to merge it. So write table data followed by row span equal to 2. So similarly, we can create set of tables with the help of table attributes based on the user requirement. Thank you.